The Maharashtra government has renewed COVID restrictions amid skyrocketing fresh infections in the state. The renewed restrictions include a night curfew in the state and strict lockdown over the weekends from Friday 8 pm to Monday 7 am, ban on gatherings of 5 or more throughout the day, complete shutdown of malls, restaurants and bars, among others. Everything but essential services will be closed on weekends. Only half the capacity will be allowed in public transport. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister's office, after a meeting today, has informed that central team comprising public health specialists will be sent to 10 states including Maharashtra, Punjab and Chhattisgarh because of the high number of fresh infections and disproportionate number of deaths. Officials have confirmed 22 casualties on the security personnel side in the clash with Naxals in Bijapur and Chhattisgarh yesterday. According to the sources, a large number of nearly 400 Maoists from 3 sides had ambushed security personnel who were deployed in the forests of Chhattisgarh for a major anti-Naxalite operation. Officials suspect the attack to be pre-planned. According to the Central Reserve Police Force sources, the Maoists used light machine guns, under-barrel grenade launchers and Desi rockets during the clash. Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and several other leaders have expressed their grief to the martyred Jawans. India and the European Union are expected to signal the start of negotiations for a broad-based trade and investment agreement at the Portugal summit on March 8th. According to the sources, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend the India-European Union summit in Lisbon before he flies to France for a high-profile bilateral visit. Experts say European Union will be under pressure to complete the trade deal with India since India is expected to sign a bilateral trade agreement with post-Brexit Britain during UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson's visit to New Delhi on April 26th. The Election Commission has called the handwritten complaint by the West Bengal Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress Party Chief Mamata Banerjee a factually incorrect and devoid of substance. Banerjee had claimed that Bharatiya Janata Party workers were not allowing voting to take place and that villagers had complained that they were being stopped from voting by the BJP in the area of Boyle. Denying her claims, the poll body has warned of actions against her for the discrepancies made by her in the polling booth. The state of Uttarakhand is suffocating with unprecedented fire in the 62 hectares of forest area. The newly elected Chief Minister Trivedi Singh Rawat held an emergency meeting over the fire incident through video conference today. In the video conference, he informed that the centre has provided 2 choppers to tackle the fire as requested by the state and expressed his confidence that the fire will be doused soon. The forest fire has claimed the lives of 4 people and 7 animals so far.